Welcome everyone, Financier Pro YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. Today is my birthday, but I received the email today and I had to make a video on it because the original video is one of my very popular videos I have so far on YouTube, and it's about Kikoff Credit. So Kikoff just emailed me this. You cannot find this in any article as of yet. You cannot even Google this. Only people who have Kikoff accounts probably received this. I know I wasn't the only one, but I'm going to bring the video to you. This is amazing. I think Kikoff is an amazing company, credit building company. The original Kikoff, for those that do not know, is digital currency. So it's $1 per month for 12 months. You just click on it, add that to your account. Every month, you apply that dollar digital currency to your account, and they report that to all 3 credit bureaus, or at least 2 of them, 2 of the main credit bureaus. Don't quote me on the all 3, please. So this one I know for sure, Kikoff 2.0 will report to the main ones, which in my opinion are the main ones, Experian and Equifax. No hidden fees. This is not a sponsored ad. I just believe in this company, and they are doing excellent at reporting and helping people build credit. So this just came to my email. It says, supercharge your credit with Kikoff's newest product. And this you will have to pay out of your bank account every month, but it's only $2. They give you $500 credit limit. You buy a digital product in their store, and they only apply $2 per month, at least because of the $20 or whatever. You spend a small amount and they help you build your credit, and this will be a second primary trade line on top of the first Kikoff trade line that you do have. And I'm about to sign up with this now, but I had to make the video first. So it says credit utilization. Kikoff Credit is a revolving line of credit with no expiration. That means you'll be building payment history and credit utilization, a major factor in building good credit, as you already know. This gives you more flexibility and more credit building opportunities. Like I said, this is the second account if you already have the first. Keep your $12 loan. That's the first one for those that do not know. There will be no changes to your original loan. Kikoff Credit works in addition to your original loan. We'll report 2 Kikoff lines on your credit report, twice the Kikoff credit building power. Remember that every positive trade line is excellent for your credit history. Getting started today, Kikoff Credit starts at only $2 per month. We report all Kikoff credit accounts to Experian and Equifax. No hidden fees, no interest rates. Sign up before January 31st to be reported to the credit bureaus by early February. Today is the day to sign up. I am going to click on more of this so I can put this in a video for you guys. I'm logging in right now, and this is amazing. Let's see. We already discussed that. The $12 loan, original loan. It says you're approved. Congrats. We're giving you a $500 credit limit to use in the Kikoff store. Buy something to activate your Kikoff credit account. Choose from a variety of things they have, and most of them I already looked at it digital, like digital books, things like that. Pay it back, only $2 per month, 0 fees, 0 interest. And it automatically comes out your bank. Whatever you buy, $20 or $10, whatever. If you buy something, just make sure you like it or give it away. I don't know. They have Bitcoin secrets, family finances, wealth, things like that, budgeting, healthy products that you can buy and read from there. But you guys look into that. It's a great thing. And you're building credit, positive trade lines. That's what it's all about, primary trade lines. You're not paying much for that. And I think they're winning, and you are winning as well because you're building credit with 2 of the trade lines with Kikoff. You guys, see you next time. Please comment below. Happy Tuesday.